Welcome to Discovering Dataflix. Last time we set up the database for the risk management part of the system, and today we're going to create the basic views. Let's do this. Wave lookup. Risk zoom. Child most table. And that should be the resource risk. And the header is the risk. And now we want to add all. We might not want the IDs. Oh yeah, we do want the ID. Title probability. Yeah, we're gonna fix all of that later. But let's see what happens if we add a group. Yeah, there's a group. Add a group. Might want to add a tab. But let's add a group for the rest there. We're gonna have a look at the layout later anyway. And in the grid, we actually want the resource and the template ID, because we want to see what template ID. We're going to use the template resource type function we made earlier. And that's it for that list. Now this one asks, if you click on a resource, where do you want to go? And yeah, we might want to add that so we can go directly to the resource zoom. That's nice. There we go. Okay, so now we have this risk zoom view. Now we want to add a new view, which is a select wizard. And this one is risk select. And we're just going to have the select list with an ID title. We might want to know who's responsible. We want the impact probability. We want to know when it's created, responsible, accept, and closed. And navigate one might do either of these. Recommended. Okay, we'll just leave it there. And we can add the navigate to zoom view here. So we can already here set risk zoom. And then set. We change the style of this. This is the caption. And then we have a new line. Probability impact created. We're actually going to add another column here as well that calculates the risk score. But yeah, let's add a new line there. Let's see how that goes. And now we want to go into the navigation designer. So we can see we have a zoom risk here. We have a risk select. This one goes to the resource zoom. We have our template set up here. and the risk select. Both of these go down to the resource zoom, and we would like to add, not here, but we want this one to go to there, and we want to put that on tile 4. Yes, go to risk select. And now if we run our application, tile 4, we have a list, and we might want to add a new, and this is breaking fingers while typing. Identify, yeah, my fingers hurt. And then we're going to have some drop-down lists here where we can select some different criteria. I think we're going to leave that for the next video. We have created, and we would like some dates to be set here. And here we can add the resources that this is related to. And we save that, and now we have it in our list here. And we should be able to go in. Now this one is trying to navigate to a filter, so this is the one we're going to use. There are some fixes, but we already have everything we need to enter some data. And I think that's almost good enough. I just want to add the tile 4 here. Let's see if we can we go into that on the navigator? Yes. Double click on that one, and we're going to rename this one to risk. Evaluation. So now if we start the script, we have risk evaluations down here. So obviously there's a lot of fine-tuning to do, but we can start to add some risks to our list. We do have resources, we can add data. So in the next video, we might do a little bit of cleanup, but I'm going to go through the system and explain my thoughts about what it can do and how to use it. Looking forward to that, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.